This is the Ram Setu stone from the Treta Yuga on which Lord Ram travelled to Lanka to bring Sita back home. You might have seen many reports in the past about such floating stones. After seeing this report, you may recall the Ram Setu incident from the Ramayana. Because it is natural for a stone to sink in water, we people consider floating stones to be supernatural.
ପିଲାମାନେ ତ ଗାଧଉଥିଲେ ନଈରେ ଆଉ ଦେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ପଥର ଭାସୁଛି ସେ ତାକୁ ଉଠେଇକି ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ସେଟା ଭାସୁଛି ତେଣୁ ସବୁ ଆମ ଗାଁ ପିଲାମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜୁଟିଲେ ଜୁଟିକି ସବୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ହଁ ପଥର ପ୍ରକୃତ ଭାସୁଛି ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ତ ଭାସୁଛି ଆମେ ସେ ଅନୁମାନ କରୁଛୁ ଯେ ଆଗେ ଯୋଉ ପୁରାଣ ରାମାୟଣ ଯାହା ଲେଖା ଅଛି ସେଠି ବନ୍ଧ ବାନ୍ଧିଲା ବେଳେ ଯୋଉ ପଥର ସବୁ ପକା ହେଇକି ବନ୍ଧ ବନ୍ଧା ହେଇଥିଲା ହୁଏତ ସେଇ ପଥର ହେଇପାରିଥାଏ ଆଉ ତ କିଛି ଆମେ ଠିକ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିପାରିବାନି।
This stone was found in the Boitarani river near Deodi Anandpur Panchayat, Malnapur, Dhamnagar block in Odisha's Bhadrak district. While taking bath in the river, some young men found this stone buried in the sand and threw it into the river. Then the stone began to float instead of sinking. And after this thing came to light, there is a crowd in the local area to see this stone.
आमे जा शुणा कथा नईरे आसी देखिलु जे ये पिला सब गाधे आसते बालीटा खोलू खोलू ये पथरटी बाहरला बाहरला माने देखिकी पानी भासिला भासिला पर आम मन को डकाला आम भी देखिनु पानी भासुँ सतार पथर बोली आम भी भावुचु आजन ठू 4-5 किलो भितर पथरटा अच्छी।
The weight of stone is 3.8 kilograms. After seeing the stone floating in the water, it has created a spiritual atmosphere in the area. While the local people kept the stone in the temple, people have gathered in the locality to witness it. Similarly, many Buddhist statues were also recovered from the Boitarani river near Sodampur in the past, which are kept in the museum now.